Welcome to another riveting episode of Transformation and Revelation. Today we embark on a journey into the realms of unparalleled possibility, a realms that hold the key to unlocking the life you have always envisioned. Are you truly prepared for what's about to unfold? Brace yourself as we delve into the profound depths of the legendary law of assumption. Now you might be pondering the enigmatic essence of law of assumption. Prepare to be astounded, for this law possesses the remarkable potential to revolutionize your perception of the world and actualize your ambition. Imagine a reality where every ambition is within your reach, where the line between imagination and concrete achievement fades away. This, my friends, is the power of encapsulated within the law of assumption. Let me simplify the intricacies for you. The law of assumption is no ordinary concept. It is a sacred code that empowers you to manifest your deepest desire. It's all about beginning with an unhealing belief in yourself, a belief that propels you toward the manifestation of your aspiration. When your faith in your goal is unshakable, when you embodied the conviction that your desires are the only attainable but already yours, the cosmos allows exclusive rituals require. It hinges on harnessing the synergy between your intellect and your emotion to fashion the life you have always coveted. So are you poised to unleash your full potential and bring your aspiration to life? Are you ready to embrace the spectacular might of the law of assumption? Stay tuned as we delve into the forthcoming segment, brimming with the invaluable insight on how to infuse the law of assumption into the tapestry of your daily existence. Trust me, this is one revolution you won't want to miss. Keep nurturing your hopes and fostering your belief, for the pinnacle of your journey is yet to reveal itself. Subscribe for more so you will never miss a moment of inspiration. Stay motivated.